Okay guys, we're here at Scania Touring. I'm going to ask if it's Higer bodywork. Probably is, but... wheelchair door here is over the drag axle, which is interesting. It makes it even further back than on the Iris are. It's not a bad looking front on this Scania actually. I don't dislike it.
Yeah, this is that's another cost option one, right? It's that
So they've all got the reverse camera screen there, right?
they've all got a reverse camera screen there. They've not got 360 systems.
So we've got a servery area here on the
Really, it's reverse camera.
guess that's probably a fridge, yeah.
Something like it's £6 for this.
We'll have a look in the toilet on the way back down. Got a step here halfway up this gangway. I'm not a fan of steps halfway up gangways.
So you've got the
You see when access door comes in here. Seats run runners as you'd expect.
press
Down to the back.
it's the automatic handbrake. So the A, if you press that, it will just put the brakes on every time you come to a stop.
Scania, like the Iris are, it's got these big long overhead lockers, which are nice.
Until auto release. Yeah.
Lighting are decent.
Yeah. And automatic headlights now as well.
The digital screen, that's all of the newer generation.
Yeah, so what you'll have is
That's that step again on the way back down.
dials there and then a digital screen in the middle.
Is this going to become standard?
Right, go on, bud.
Yeah.
Go on, go that way.
It will be on the GSR.
Have a quick look in the toilet here.
Oh, sorry.
Hang on, sorry, some quick look in the toilet. Bit dark, very plastic, but perfectly usable toilet there.
Feels a lot better. It looks like people could these doors up. It feels a bit-
And back down to the front again.
It looks more European.
Oh.
Go on, keep going. I'll join your conversation if that's all right.
Absolutely.
Go on, keep going, keep going.
Because ours have wood effect for, I think it does, doesn't it?
Yes. Yeah, that's standard
That's
now.
standard now.
Yeah.
And
I think you've got the same interior.
I think it's like a
because
corporate-
the corporate one. I think
one, yeah.
that's
So
this
it's
one.
this same interior, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thanks, Mark.
Is that
Quick look at the dashway.
haven't it?
We get a lot. I tell you what, we get a lot of positive feedback on the seats because we had a demonstrator that gone out to people, strictly really people who don't operate Scania who want to get it out there, and they've had it for a short period, and they get a lot of positive feedback from the customers.
Usual Scania kind of inch stuff here. All the stuff you'd expect.
The work we do.